Today we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how to fit our GQ Y60 door cards. When fitting the clips provided to the new door trims, a little tip is that the part in here is actually masking tape. This is to prevent glue from coming into these areas when the door cards are being made. So with something that's not too sharp that you can get in there, just push it down to bring it away from the cardboard. Don't worry about breaking the masking tape. Then once you've done that, they should just clip in like that. I would recommend putting your old door card next to it, grabbing a texter and marking out the holes you need. This is just so you don't get confused. Now another tip is that once you've installed these gasket dust shields and you have speakers, don't cut these out. What you can do is heat them up with a heat gun or a hairdryer of some sorts and push the speaker in once the plastic's soft, and it should mold around the back of the speaker.